channel. Warm-blooded fire, heart don't quit, running through the wild like she's built for it. Velvet speed, got the land on lock, horns held high, never gonna stop, born to leap, born to lead. Savannah queen in lightning speed. Albert the albatross, he is a bird, sky is his kingdom, haven't you heard? Wings spin wide like a myth in flight, crossing oceans in a single night. Feathers fierce, got eyes like fate, glides through storms at a silent rate. Airborne prince, smooth and proud, calls the clouds, sings them aloud. Annie the anemone, she is a marine animal deep in the reef. Vibe so magical, sways with the tide, soft but smart. Tentacles glow like underwater art. She don't chase, she lets it flow in a world where the sun don't go. Ocean soul with a secret sting, queen of calm, oceans bling, bling, bling. Alistair the alligator, he is a reptile, cold-blooded beast with a deadly smile. Waits in the dark, moves with grace, ancient but no need to race. Scores like armor, bite like steel, predator power, king of the real. River's edge, you hear that sound? That's the ruler of the hunting ground. Anton the ant, he is an insect, small in size but don't ever disrespect. Carries the weight, builds like a boss, works as a team, never takes a loss. Tiny legs but a titan's drive, in the underground he's alive. Marching lines, minds connect, that's the code of the insect set. Learning the alphabet, look at me, learning has never been so easy. Every song teaches me new words, I sing each letter and brighten my world. A, B, C, those words will be mine. D, E, F, I sing and dance, this is my time. G, H, I learn every line. J to Z, it is my time to shine. Sing with me the alphabet, the best song you can get. Letters are fun from A to Z, every word means the world to me. I read, I write, I sing along, learning letters makes me strong. Antonella leaps, Albert flies, Annie floats and Alistair slides. Anton built from dusk to dawn, the A-team legacy marches on. We're wild, we're wise, we're nature's code. A-team rides in animal Bernard the bear, he is a mammal. He's big and strong and always careful. Walks through woods with steady paws, climbs up trees with giant claws. He growls at night but keeps things calm, loves his berries cool and warm. Bernard the bear, proud and free. B is for brave, that's me. Blake the blue jay, he is a bird. His call is bright, his song is heard. He flaps his wings and swoops so low, then shoots up high, a feathered show. He spins and dives across the sky, he loves to soar and fly so high. Blake the blue jay, strong and fast. B is for bird, built to last. Brody the barracuda, he is a fish. He zips through waves, a silver swish. He darts through reefs, he turns with speed. No one can catch him in the lead. He glides with ease, a seaborn flash. He makes a splash with every dash. Brody the barracuda, cool and sly. B is for bold beneath the sky. Hey, 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 oh, 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 oh.
Blair the boa, he is a reptile.
He moves with grace and quiet style.
He wraps around the jungle trees. He blends in deep where no one sees.
His eyes are sharp, his tongue is quick.
He's calm and smart, his moves are slick.
Blair the boa, smooth and slow. B is for balance, watch me go. Belle the butterfly,
I'm learning the alphabet, look at me learning.
It's never been so easy.
Every song teaches me new words.
I sing each letter and brighten my world. Oh, 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 oh. A, B, C, those words will be mine. D, E, F, I sing and dance, this is my time. G, H, I learn every line. J to Z, it is my time to shine. Sing with me the alphabet, the best song you can get.
Letters are fun from A to Z.
Every word means the world to me.
I learn, I dance, I sing along. Learning letters makes me strong.
Bernard runs, Blake flies,
Brody swims and Blair slides.
Bella flutters from dawn to noon.
The B team's marching to their tune.
We're brave, we're bright, we're nature's beat. B team moves with dancing feet. Hera the capybara, she is a mammal. She chills all day, so calm and casual. She swims with friends and naps in sun. She chews on grass when play is done. She's soft and kind and always sweet. She moves with care on gentle feet. Clara the capybara, calm and bright. C is for cozy, feels just right. Camila the cuckoo, she is a bird. She sings her tune, her call is heard. She hops through trees and flaps with cheer. She calls out loud so all can hear. She soars through clouds, a streak of blue. She finds her way like all birds do. Camila the cuckoo, flying free. C is for chirp and canopy.
Clark the carp, he is a fish. He swims through streams, calm as a wish. He glides so smooth, he takes his time. He swims in circles, feels just fine.
He hides in the weeds and pops right out. He flips his tail and spins about. Clark the carp, cool and slow. C is for calm, just go with the flow. Cameron the chameleon, he is a reptile. He changes color with quiet style. He climbs the trees and stops to stare, then disappears.